Today we'll chant the Heart Sutra in Sanskrit. This is the entire Heart Sutra, and we'll chant the last part of this sutra. These are the words: Gate gate, paragate, parasamgate, bodhi, svaha. You can find the translation in English by clicking or tapping the title of this video. Now let's practice saying these words. I'll say these 5 times. Gate gate, paragate, parasamgate, bodhi, svaha. 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 Now let's chant 5 more times. Gate gate, paragate, parasamgate, bodhi, svaha. 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 You can find another video that I'm chanting the Heart Sutra in Japanese. When you click the title of this video, you will see the link there. If this video was helpful for you, please send your comments to let me know and click the like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.